Today I'm going to be talking about the Topmate ES-30. Which I bought as a mobility scooter. I think it's very good for this purpose, especially since it has 3 wheels and isn't like a Segway. And because it has a key, I believe it is cleared for flying on the airplanes. Okay, here we are. I am riding the ES-30. As you can see, it's a little wobbly, but this is with the seat changed out for a comfort bicycle seat. This makes it reasonable to ride. I believe I was in speed 3 here, or 12 miles an hour. It does still wobble a little, but it is okay. And I am doing it one-handed. The turnaround. Yes, I did have to put my foot down for that. And then off I go. It does have 3 different speeds. On the left side there's a switch. 1, 2, and 3, one of which is the slowest. 2 is medium and 3 is the fastest. So depending on where you are and what you're doing, you need to pick the speed that's reasonable. Okay, here we go. This is the Topmate ES-30. And you can put any bicycle seat in here. You just need to remove the bicycle attachment part. So you just have the 2 bars on the bottom. Okay, here's how you put the basket on. As you can see, it just hooks in. Here's how you put the seat down. You have to push it up and then pull out on the spring, and then it goes down. And that's how you push the seat back up. Here's how to close it. First step, you push the seat down in order for it to let close it, and then you put the 2 parts together. And there's a clip on the front that goes into the to open it. You push that clip on the front wheel down. Then you open the frame, and then you pull the seat. Do not close it with the seat up. It will go unless you force real hard, and then you might break it. Okay, here's the seat. On the bottom of the seat are these 2 screws, which if you loosen them, you can get to the seat. You can take the seat out. And you can put any bicycle seat in here. You just need to remove the bicycle attachment part. So you just have the 2 bars on the bottom. Here we go, the key. Turn the key on, turn the key off. With the key off, the thing will not move. And that's that. Hope you've enjoyed this video.